Welcome, today I'm with HUAWEI P20 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings and here find the home screen and wallpaper. Just tap on that and right now tap here to wallpapers. And now you can see that you can choose your new wallpaper from the gallery if you get some photos or from the regular original photos on this phone. For example, I'll go in with this one. Now just tap to accept and we want to change the lock screen. Just tap here and now we can check. So as can you see, our wallpaper has changed successfully, and that's it. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.